What is the best cheapest auto insurance? The entire purpose of taking out an auto insurance policy is for it to come to your financial rescue when you have an accident. The important thing is to ensure that you have a hitch-free claim process so that you can get the payout you need. In order to do this, you need to start at the accident scene. The steps you execute when you have your collision will go a long way in ensuring you a hassle-free claim process. Having an accident is devastating, and if you can escape physically unscathed, you should count yourself lucky. Remember that at the end of the day, a car is just a car, and if you have car insurance, the financial aspect of the damages or loss of your vehicle can be taken care of. This leads us to the first thing you need to do in the event of an accident. Immediately after your vehicle has come to a halt, you have to make sure that no one in the car has been injured. The safety of yourself and your passengers is more important than anything else. If there is anyone who has been injured, phone an ambulance immediately and do not move them. If no one is injured, or if there is nothing you can do to help anyone else, then you need to execute a few steps to ensure your claim process will work out. Firstly, you need to capture all the details that you possibly can. Take down the registration numbers of any other vehicles involved in the accident, as well as names and driver's license details of all the people involved. If you were able to take down the names and contact details of any witnesses. If the accident was serious enough, the police may arrive on the scene. Make sure you get the name of any police officers on the scene, as well as their precinct and badge numbers. If possible, obtain insurance details of the other party. Depending on the range of your cover, you should phone your insurance company. Some of them will send one of their employees onto the scene to capture the details of the accident and the damage to the vehicles. Regardless of whether or not your insurance company does this, you must capture the details of the accident as clearly as possible. Most of the time when you make a claim, they will ask you to draw a diagram of how the accident occurred. You should try and draw this whilst you are still on the accident scene and the details are fresh in your mind. It may be disconcerting at such a traumatic moment, but it is important. This brings us to the next thing you need to do, which is having a set of collision supplies in your car at all times. Your collision supplies are simply things that you must have on hand, which will make your claim process go easier. Firstly, you should have a disposable camera in your motor vehicle. This way you can literally capture the damages right after they have happened. You must also keep a pen and paper for you to draw the sketch and also capture any other details of the accident on the scene. It may be a traumatic time, but if you have all angles covered, you will at least have a hassle-free claim process.